Today, we will learn the best herbs to treat an enlarged prostate, also known as BPH. Over 70% of men over 60 years old have an enlarged prostate. The prostate is a small gland shaped like a walnut. It goes around the tube that carries urine out of the body. As men get older, the prostate cells can multiply and get bigger. This squeezes the urine tube, called the urethra. When this happens, your urine stream may be weaker. It may dribble after you finish peeing, and you may feel like you can't fully empty your bladder. So you have to pee more often, especially at night. In my other videos, I talked about ways to shrink the prostate back down to its normal size. This helps stop problems with peeing, but it is more important to know what makes the prostate cells multiply and get bigger in the first place. Understanding the cause of an enlarged prostate is very important. The prostate is normally very small. It helps make fluid that mixes with semen. The prostate does not usually cause problems until later in life, especially after age 50. But why? As men get older, their bodies make more of an enzyme called aromatase. Aromatase turns testosterone into estrogen. Estrogen is a hormone that makes prostate cells multiply. As the cells multiply, the prostate grows bigger. The bigger prostate squeezes the bladder and urine tube. Men with an enlarged prostate often have high insulin levels. This is called hyperinsulinemia. Eating lots of carbs like sugar, bread, cereal, pastries, and crackers causes the pancreas to release insulin. Too much insulin increases the enzyme aromatase. Aromatase raises estrogen levels. Higher estrogen can make the prostate bigger. So hormones like insulin and estrogen affect each other as men get older, causing prostate enlargement. If you have liver damage, are overweight, drink alcohol, or have diabetes, you are more likely to have an enlarged prostate. This is because those conditions are linked to high insulin levels. How to help an enlarged prostate? To help shrink the prostate and pee normally again, it is important to balance your body's estrogen and insulin levels. You can do this at home using some simple herbal remedies. Let's learn about them. First, before trying other remedies, eat more cruciferous vegetables regularly. These include arugula, radish, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Cruciferous veggies contain natural nutrients called indole 3-carbonyl and sulforaphane. These nutrients help your liver balance your hormones and prevent too much estrogen buildup. They also help control blood sugar and lower insulin levels. This treats the root causes of an enlarged prostate. I also recommend eating some white button mushrooms. Add them to stir fries or chop them into salads. White mushrooms contain ergosterols and beta-glucans. These have been shown to lower PSA levels and prevent the prostate from getting bigger. By blocking aromatase, the mushrooms help keep testosterone levels normal as you get older. This keeps hormones balanced. Next is lycopene, one of the best remedies for the prostate. Lycopene is a red pigment found in fruits and vegetables, especially tomatoes. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory that can reduce prostate size and stop it from getting bigger. Eating more lycopene can also help you pee normally by reducing inflammation in the urethra and bladder. Cooked tomatoes actually allow your body to absorb 4 times more lycopene. So start cooking tomatoes into a sauce. Use this instead of ketchup and other sauces that have a lot of sugar. Now let's talk about lemon peel, which is very good for shrinking the prostate. Blend an entire organic unwaxed lemon, including the peel, white part, seeds, and fruit with a glass of water until smooth. You can add berries to make it sweeter, or use a natural sweetener like stevia or xylitol. Drink this cheap remedy daily to improve prostate health and help it shrink, preventing further enlargement. This works because lemon peels have a lot of limonene. Limonene is a natural aromatase inhibitor. It blocks aromatase from turning testosterone into estrogen in men's bodies. This helps shrink the prostate by treating the root cause. As a bonus, it can also help maintain muscle as you get older. Now let's discuss pumpkin seed oil, another powerful herb for helping older men pee properly. You can either eat 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds daily or take a capsule of extracted pumpkin seed oil. The seeds and oil contain beta-sitosterol. This natural nutrient has been shown in studies to ease symptoms of an enlarged prostate. It helps men empty their bladders, pee normally, and increase urine flow back to normal. It works similarly to the drug tamsulosin, but without the usual side effects. Pumpkin seeds and their oil are very helpful for prostate issues. The next herbal remedy is passionflower tea. This soothing tea may help if you feel tense, stressed, or anxious. Passion flowers are a rich natural source of chrysin. Chrysin is a special plant compound that helps balance hormones like estrogen and testosterone. This can prevent the prostate from growing larger. Passionflower is also one of my favorite remedies for stress because chrysin activates GABA. GABA is a brain chemical that relaxes you by calming the nervous system and lowering cortisol, the stress hormone. Drinking passionflower tea can help the prostate and reduce stress. If you drink a lot of coffee and soda like me, start cutting back. Instead, drink 1 to 2 cups of chamomile tea each day. Soon you will notice feeling better overall, including with your prostate and ability to pee. Now let's talk about Moringa, a powerful herb you may not know. Moringa powder comes from dried leaves of a tree that grows in warm places like India. For thousands of years, people have used Moringa as a natural medicine because it has many healthy compounds and minerals. You can get Moringa powder or capsules and take it daily. It lowers inflammation in the body, including the prostate. Taking Moringa daily can also reduce arthritis pain and suppress tumor growth. This minimizes the risk of prostate cancer or the prostate getting bigger. Moringa is very helpful for many health issues. Finally, there is stinging nettle root, another herbal remedy to research. You can easily grow stinging nettles at home and harvest the roots to make nettle root tea. Or you can take nettle root extracts as a supplement. I'll put links below to some of my favorite herbal formulas with these ingredients to shrink your prostate. Stinging nettle root is one of the best remedies for balancing hormones. It helps lower insulin and control blood sugar. This prevents too much estrogen buildup in men as they get older. Like pumpkin seeds, nettle root also contains beta-sitosterol, which is very good for prostate issues like an enlarged prostate and prostatitis. Beta-sitosterol from these herbs improves urine flow from the bladder through the urethra. It also improves the muscle tone in that area. All of the herbs and remedies discussed can help shrink an enlarged prostate naturally. However, there is one supplement that directly targets the root cause of BPH, or an enlarged prostate. ProstaStream is an all-natural supplement that allows you to address the severe inflammation caused by the body mistaking DHT hormones for an infection. This is a key driver of prostate growth. ProstaStream also turbo boosts your hormone receptors and immune system to help break out of the prostate growth cycle. While individual herbs like pumpkin seed oil, stinging nettle root, and passionflower tea can be very beneficial, ProstaStream combines multiple ingredients into one convenient supplement. It gets to the underlying reasons your prostate is becoming enlarged as you age. If you want to learn more about how ProstaStream can help you tackle the root causes of an enlarged prostate and BPH, click the link in the description below. Be the health hero in your family. Like this video if you're ready to lead your loved ones to a healthier lifestyle with natural remedies. Subscribe for tips that make you the go-to wellness guru at home. Share these secrets with your family and become their health hero.